Get ready with me to pack. It is currently 5:53. This is my boyfriend's phone. I'm not that mean to myself. And we are leaving in 2 hours at 8 o'clock for Newark. The reason why this video is kind of stressful is because I'm only in Korea for a week and I'm in the Philippines for 2.5 weeks. Totally different climates. So pack with me for Korea and Philippines. To my right, I have my empty, large, big pink suitcase. And I am also bringing Big Gray. This is my favorite backpack ever. It opens up like a suitcase. This is my airport outfit. I've got some flared black leggings and a white tank. We need to go through all of these clothes and figure out what I actually need and what I don't need. Let's start with bottoms. This skirt is a yes. I think this skirt is a yes. This skirt is a definite yes. Adidas shorts, also a yes. This is a pair of long johns. We're going skiing in Korea. This will also work as a top for those really cold Korean days. Some jean shorts, some Lulu leggings. These are fleece line tights. I'm still debating these. I'm debating both the denim bottoms. We're gonna pack most things, and then some things might be coming out. I also wanna shop. It's a struggle. And the final bottoms go with this workout set. I wore this in Costa Rica and it was so comfortable and cute. Let's do dresses next. You can just throw this on over a bikini. I thrifted this Anthropology dress. This is a maybe because it doesn't fold down that small. It is a cotton button-up dress that I can throw on over a bathing suit. I have a lot of photos of it when I went to Mexico and I kind of like all my photos to look different. This is for if we do like a fancy dinner in Korea and or Philippines, which we probably will. Moving on to tops, I'm gonna wear this on the airplane. This is a really nice hoodie that actually has my work on it, repping the Gotham West. I'm gonna bring this cotton wrinkle-free pink button-up, and these are two Uniqlo Heat Tech turtlenecks. I've had this one for a while, and so it's not super bright and white anymore, but I still think for layering, it's gonna be super nice. White cami with a built-in bra, red cami with a built-in bra, 100% cotton t-shirt. My Uniqlo black tube top also has a built-in bra. This is a classic. I have a bunch of photos in Lisbon wearing it. It's a red halter top, plain black t-shirt. I've worn this in a lot of countries, but it is so cute, but I already have so many photos in it, so I'm gonna put this in the maybe pile. Black bodysuit and brown tank top. Here we have a Uniqlo packable down jacket. This was one of my first purchases when I moved to New York 6 years ago now, and it's super warm. I don't love the color anymore, but I was thinking it's so wasteful to buy a jacket just for this trip when I have something that's gonna work. We got these long pajama bottoms and 3 shorts. This is my underwear, socks, and bathing suits. I don't like packing cubes. I actually think that I fit less in a suitcase if I put everything in an individual bag. I know that's a hot take and that every travel influencer ever puts everything in a compactable travel bag like this. It's just not my jam, but I will put underwear, socks in a bag to make it a little more organized. 1, 2, 3, 4 bikinis and 2 one pieces. I like having a one piece to go scuba diving so that my bikini doesn't fall off when I put on a wetsuit and take it off. Just stuffing these in. Swimsuits. Moving on to underwear, we have 1, 6, 7, 16. I probably don't need more than 16, so I'll let these 3 go. And for socks, we'll do 4 normal socks, 5 cold socks. Is that too many? 1 sports bra, 1 real bra. I'm wearing a bralette, here's another bralette, and here's another bralette. Voila. For shoes, I've gone back and forth because I'll only wear these in Korea and not the Philippines. These are some heavy winter boots, but I really think I'm gonna want them, especially when we do the icy cold days. I'm gonna wear my sneakers on the plane, sandals, some water shoes. We're going canyoneering in the Philippines, hopefully, and I'll definitely want these for that. Got leather gloves, fingerless gloves, winter hat, earmuffs. My mom thrifted me this really cute summery bag, a scarf for accessorizing. It can also be a cute top, Uniqlo bag. Okay, I'm actually freaking out a little bit now. We got some Hot Hands hand warmers. I like to journal while I travel, but I know that the scissors aren't gonna get through security, so I need to put it in my checked bag, along with these toiletries that are probably too big to go carry on. I'm gonna bring my straightener, favorite curling iron, my laundry bag. I have 2 foldable towels, a pink one and a blue one. So I think I'll bring the pink one. A tiny sewing kit, some medication. We're gonna start really hurrying this up now. Some tampons, 2 hair accessories, electric toothbrush and toothpaste. In the backpack, I'm bringing $420 cash, my passport, keys, and AirPod. We're gonna hook my neck pillow on the outside, wallet. This is my tech bag, my audio equipment, and also the camera that I'm filming on. I think I should leave these behind. I don't need 4 pairs of headphones. Jewelry, journal, tons of pens, staple, tape, glue. I'll use this or this for cash. And this is a present for my godson Yunhei for his 3rd birthday. Tripod, my laptop, and all of my toiletries I'm gonna put in this bag. In the spirit of not missing my flight, I'm gonna do the final bit of packing off camera and clean my apartment before I go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in Korea and the Philippines.